Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Joseph Cavagnaro. Today, I'm gonna be probably unboxing more car parts. There's boxes on the table, you know what's going down. So, yeah, I'm gonna be... Alright, so first off, inside the box here, we get, should cut this so I'll have an easier time. Alright, so inside the box we get this, spark plug wire set. Last time I did an unboxing of a wire set. So yeah, here's the spark plug set. And now let's see what's in this other box here. So should probably cut it like this. This box is really heavy. Not heavy, but hard to open. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Alrighty, so inside this box we get a ronzoni cap, some coupons for ronzoni products, a bunch of ronzoni products, a letter, get this bag here, and inside this bag we have this fridge clip, get some sponges, or I think they're like sponges or whatever. Got some notepads from Ronzoni. Here's like a little like some kind of pasta spoon, 2 pens, and a refrigerator magnet. Now that we got that box out of the way, let's unbox the AC Delco spark plug wire set. So yeah, what goes better than pasta and spark plugs? I can name a couple things that go better. Well, I like bacon and ice cream, yeah, definitely that. Alright, so here are these spark plugs. Of course. Here are the spark plugs here. These are used on a car or something, I don't really know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. But wait.